Unlock effortless e-commerce by seamlessly integrating your Printify print-on-demand business with your Wix website. First, let's head over to your Wix website editor on the left-hand side menu. Find and click on the apps icon. This is where you'll find all the tools and integrations to enhance your Wix site. Once the app market loads, use the search bar at the top to type in Printify. As you type, you'll see Printify appear in the search results. Click on the Printify app listing to view its details. On the Printify app page, you'll see an Add to Site button. Click this to begin the integration process. Wix will then ask for permission to add Printify to your website. Review the permissions and click Add to Site to confirm. Printify will now be added to your Wix account. You'll now see the Printify icon on your Wix dashboard. Click on this icon to open the Printify integration. You'll be prompted to either create a new Printify account or log into an existing one. If you're new to Printify, follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. If you already have a Printify account, simply log in with your existing credentials. Once logged in or signed up, Printify will be successfully connected to your Wix website. You can now start creating and publishing your designs directly from Printify to your Wix store. This integration allows for automatic order fulfillment. When a customer purchases a product with your design, the order is automatically sent to Printify, who will print and ship it directly to your customer, streamlining your entire e-commerce operation. Congratulations! You've just connected Printify to your Wix website, opening up a world of effortless print-on-demand dropshipping.